Hello, welcome to my channel. We're making eggs with tomatoes and a few other things, and for that we're going to need 4 eggs and 2 tomatoes. You can add more tomatoes if you want, or you can use tomatoes from a can. And the first thing we're going to do is remove the seeds or most of the seeds out of the tomatoes, and we're not going to throw them away. You can make a salad dressing with that, and but yeah, we're going to remove most of the seeds, then we're going to grate the tomatoes, and we're going to end up just with the skin. I want to say welcome, or I want to welcome to the new subscribers to my channel. Thank you for subscribing, thank you for the likes, thank you for sharing. I really appreciate it. So now we have the tomatoes grated, and we have the juice for the salad dressing that you can make later on. Now we're adding the eggs, and we're gonna do it one at a time. As you know, if you cook regularly, it's better to do it that way, because if you get a bad egg, then you just throw it away and you don't ruin the other eggs that you have already in the bowl. We're gonna put all the eggs in there, and we are going to beat the eggs and set them aside. We're going to warm up the pan and a little bit of oil to that. Don't forget to stay till the end of the video to check the videos that I'm going to put at the end, and don't forget to check out all the playlists that I have. I have them in different categories: salads, main dishes, beef, pork, and other stuff. So I recommend that you take a look at them. You might find something interesting or some other interesting recipes there. So now I am adding the tomatoes, and after the tomatoes I'm adding a little bit of oregano, salt, and pepper. And what I want is for the water or the liquid from the tomatoes to evaporate, most of it. Now at that point you can almost add the eggs if you want. I like the liquid from the tomatoes to be a little more evaporated, but that's a matter of taste. See, that way that's ready for me to add the tomatoes, the eggs, pardon me. And once you add the eggs, you have to lower the temperature. I had it on medium heat before. Now you lower the temperature to low, and you mix until you get them to that point that's ready. Then you have to move them from the stove, because the eggs will continue to cook. You don't want overcooked eggs. And I'm putting them on a flour tortilla that I got from a restaurant close to my house, and their tortillas are humongous. I could have used 6 or 8 eggs in that tortilla, but anyhow, that's what I got, that's what I'm using. And I'm putting grated Mexican cheese, that is mild cheddar cheese, Monterrey Jack, asadero cheese, and quesadilla cheeses, and a little bit of avocado. And I don't know what I was doing that day or what was I thinking, but I couldn't wrap a burrito. It's like wrapping or making a burrito is one of the easiest things in the world, and I couldn't do it that day. It was a little bit of a mess, but anyhow, the important thing is what's inside the tortilla. And now I have to taste it. It's pretty nice, moist. The avocado goes really well with that. And don't forget to click on the videos at the end and check out my playlists and share the video with your friends on social media. Hope you enjoy it. Chaito.